Welcome to Best Digital Picks, where smart tools save time and make life easier. A few weeks ago, I realized I was paying for too many subscriptions. Design tools, editing tools, productivity apps, and most of the time, I wasn't even using them fully. So I made a decision. I canceled them and I replaced them with free tools. And honestly, some of these free tools work just as well, if not better. In this video, I'll show you the ones that actually replaced my paid apps. Let's get into it. The first tool is Raycast. This replaced how I interact with my computer every single day. Instead of clicking through apps, searching manually, or switching between tabs, I just use one command bar. Open apps, search files, run commands, even control workflows. Everything happens in seconds, and once you get used to it, going back feels slow. Because the real value isn't just speed, it's flow. Raycast removes friction between you and your work, and when friction disappears, everything feels faster. The second tool is Opus Clip. This one replaced a lot of manual video editing for me. You take a long video, and it automatically turns it into short, ready-to-share clips. With captions, with smart cuts, with the important moments already selected. What used to take hours now takes minutes. And that changes everything, because content creation isn't just about quality, it's about consistency. And when tools reduce the effort, consistency becomes easier. The third tool is Photopea. This replaced the need for heavy design software. No downloads, no subscriptions. It runs directly in your browser, and it looks and feels surprisingly similar to professional tools. You can edit images, work with PSD files, make quick adjustments, all without paying for anything, and this is where free tools become powerful. Not because they're free, but because they remove barriers. You don't need a complex software, you just need something that works. Canceling subscriptions isn't really about saving money, it's about simplifying your workflow. Because the more tools you depend on, the more friction you create. But when you replace them with the right free tools, everything becomes easier, you move faster, you think clearer, and you waste less time. At Best Digital Picks, we believe the right tools can save your time, sharpen your focus, and make your digital life easier. So if you're ready to work smarter and make every day a little easier, subscribe to Best Digital Picks, where better tools build better results.